So we've been learning Chinese for quite a while. Do you know how to say and write Chinese in Chinese? We say 中文, 中文, 中 as in 中国, China, 文 as in 语文, language, or to be more specific, written language. So 中文 refers to Chinese written language. But in general, if you're asked, do you know Chinese? 你懂中文吗? So it actually meant that, do you know Mandarin? Because Mandarin is the official language in China. So 中文, in more general term, it means Mandarin or Chinese written language, or any other Chinese spoken languages as well. So it really depends on the context before you know what that means. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.